So we thought we'd take a minute and just express our feelings as first-time snowbirders. Is that a word? So,
I don't think so, but
it's January, nearing the end of January. It's 5 p.m. We've been out on the bike all day. It's 22 degrees. Still, right now. Yeah, this is awesome.
we're just really excited. Like,
this is pretty cool.
we never get to ride in January, and we made it happen.
What else are we saying?
That's it. I'm good. Are you good?
Schlitten,
Hey,
are you ready for our ride today?
I am, but you won't tell me where we're going. Where are we going?
Well, you remember that city called Oatman? Oatman is where the donkeys roam.
Really? That like old Wild West town
Yeah,
or something?
I don't
old
think they-
mining town?
They don't call them donkeys, they call them something else, but I forget.
Really? That's where you're taking me?
Yeah.
I thought you said it was too far.
No, I think we're good.
We're good?
We gave the puppies a good walk this morning.
Uh-huh.
I think it's only a 2-hour drive, so we should be good.
And we get to spend time there? Like maybe have lunch there or something?
I think that'd be a good idea.
Yay!
All right.
Okay, I'm excited. I'm gonna hurry up now because I haven't been hurrying up, and I'm sure that's why you told me, so that I would hurry up.
Yeah, so the whole waiting for Mitch thing, that hasn't changed. It's still happening.
I'm worth waiting for though, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. I
Yes.
think so.
So this is our first official adventure in Arizona. And we're very excited that we can take off on the bike in January while all of our friends back home are freezing in minus 40 Celsius weather. I don't know
Well,
what
we're
that...
not excited that they're freezing.
No, it's really, really unfortunate for them. But we're very excited that we get to be in, I think the forecast for today is 20 or 20, 23 degrees. So that is going to be very comfortable and cozy for the bike.
Yes, not
So
too hot, not too cold. It's perfect.
We're all lathered up, buttered up with sunblock, as I have a feeling with my fair complexion, I'm gonna burn.
Can we go now?
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Okay.
I'm ready! I'm ready! Ready!
Oh, he shot him. He shot him.
I think you did that on purpose.
So what'd you think of Oatman?
So, you know, you spend your time, or not everybody spends their time, but there's every once in a while you see something on TV or you see something somewhere and you think, I gotta go there. I gotta go check that out. And you brought me here. It's one thing about this guy. When I ask for something, I typically get it. So thanks for bringing me here.
It was
It's
actually
pretty
cool that we saw this town featured on a show a month or so ago.
Yeah.
And we knew that we were going to be in the area, so here we are.
Yeah.
So we got to witness a shooting.
A gunfight.
A gunfight. In the setting is the Wild Wild West, of course.
And we got to see the donkeys. Well, actually, they're called burros, not donkeys. But
Yeah.
we got to see them, and they literally just roam the street here. They're like everywhere. You can feed them, you can buy food for them, but they literally just roam the street.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, very cool.
And now we're going to go ride Route 66, the historic Route 66. Oh, bless you.
Thanks.
One thing we have not had a lot of since we've been here, which is we haven't really been here that long, but we have not had a lot of twisties and turns. I'm very, very excited to ride this part of Route 66. Let's do
This
it.
is what I said. Arizona, the place where the roads are straight. What did I say yesterday? And you said I was corny?
I don't remember.
Okay. All right.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
What you making?
Guacamole.
Oh.
Guacamole for your nachos.
Oh, my nachos. So you're not having any?
Our nachos. How's that?
So we're going to enjoy these nachos.
Yes.
What's in those nachos?
That's it. I'm not telling you because then you won't eat them. They're healthy nachos.
Well, we are getting rid of leftovers, right?
Yes. How was your day?
The day was good.
Yeah. It was. We got to pet it. We got to pet donkeys.
Yeah. What are they called actually?
Burros.
Burros. Yeah.
Yes.
So we got to pet burros.
Yep.
We got to.
Feed burros.
Oh, we got to ride Route 66. You know, I didn't know how great of a ride that is.
Okay, but it's just a portion of Route 66.
No, I understand. There's a portion of Route 66.
Okay, but the way you're saying it on the video, it like our viewers gonna think that we rode all the way from California to wherever.
Okay, so while in Oatman, we drove a section of Route 66 that I didn't know was similar to, if not even better.
Careful.
Okay. Scratch that. We rode a section of Route 66 that was amazing. Full of twisties, curves, hills, and the scenery. Man, I had to do it twice because the first time I just focused on the road and drove as quickly as I could, and the second time I decided to go a little slower so that I can enjoy some of the views.
I'm having a hard time.
Route 66 was pretty amazing.
It was.
And then we drove back through Oatman again on the way back and just backtracked, which was okay.
It was more than okay. It was an amazing day. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
And you know, here's